We have an LS460 here today, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the blower motor. Simple, even if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to look under the glove box for this panel. There's going to be about, I think, 4 or 5 clips underneath here. You see where my thumb is? You're just going to push each clip in. You could probably stick your finger in there or use a flathead screwdriver and just move this panel out your way. All right, looks like we have the ECU directly underneath the glove box here. We're gonna go ahead and take out the 10mm fastener on this side, and there should be another 10mm fastener on the other side, holding the ECU in. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug these. Shoot these fasteners out. One more 10mm all the way in the back. You can't really see it, but it's somewhere between these 2 plugs that are on the right. Alright, now we have access. Go ahead and unplug this. And take these 1, 2, and 3 8mm fasteners out. Once you remove those 8mm fasteners, just grab the blower motor and pull down. And there it is. Put it back in, just do the same thing in reverse. Only tools you need for this job are going to be a 1/4" ratchet, a 8mm 1/4" socket short, and a 10mm 1/4" socket short.